Hi, this is Nina from ADHOOPU. Today, I will continue to introduce our web interface. Interaction. The interaction is used to video conference. The left side is receiving screen from other side. And this is the sending screen that we send out. There are different modes for your choice here. You can choose the mode that you want, just like this. And this is calling someone to join us. Hangout, contacts, group call. It's efficient, right? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up or comments below.